P1.86, P2, and P2.5 are the mainstream models for indoor poster screens. Among them, P1.86 has the smallest spacing and the highest display fineness. Can present 4K high-definition picture quality, suitable for window interaction, or high-end brand display. The P2 is moderately spaced, slightly inferior to the P1.86 in edge sharpness and detail, suitable for most business scenarios. P2.5 focuses on cost performance and stability, with slightly larger spacing, but higher brightness and better heat dissipation. Suitable for scenarios with a limited budget and a slightly longer viewing distance,